Hey everybody, it's Dr. Schusterman here, the Cooking Doc. It's coming on the 4th of July and I'm standing out here in Greenville, South Carolina in the 100-degree heat in front of my beautiful, lush fig tree that is finally going to produce its first fig in 5 years. And I want to take this opportunity to wish you and your family a happy 4th of July, but also to answer one of the questions that I always get from my patients when we're coming upon holidays. The question goes like this: so Doc, is it okay if I eat whatever I want and don't worry about my diet on certain holidays, special occasions? Well, stay tuned for the answer to that question, but in the meantime, I want you to look at that button that says subscribe on the bottom right of your screen, and I want you to click that. We are on a mission at the Cooking Doc. We want to change the world. We want to show everybody how to change their taste buds and that healthy eating can be unbelievably delicious. Okay, now back to our question here. The question goes like this: so when a holiday comes around, a special occasion, is it okay if we binge eat? Can I eat more salt? Can I eat more fat? Is it going to affect my diet, my weight, my health? And here's the answer to that question. And it's not a simple answer, and it's not the same for everybody. Let's first take those goody two-shoes out there. You know who I'm talking about. And I don't want you to get offended when I say that, because you're looking at one right here. If you ask my wife, as far as diet goes, I'm a goody two-shoes. Okay, so these are those of you that you don't eat unhealthy most of the time. Most days, it's a healthy lunch, a healthy breakfast, a healthy dinner. You don't stray too far off the diet that you're supposed to eat, right? And so when a special occasion comes around, you can eat whatever you want. Go for it. Burgers, French fries, hot dogs, even hot dogs if you want just one. Potato salad with mayonnaise, dessert. On those special occasions, you enjoy yourself. Okay, now let's talk about Group 2. Group 2 are those of you that have a different definition of special occasion than I do, right? For you, special occasion doesn't just mean the ones that come once a month, okay? Special occasion for you is the Saturday tailgate at the football game, the Friday night after football game party at the pizza shop, the special lunch potluck that you're having at the office, Aunt Josephine's birthday on Monday night, okay? For you, a special occasion comes 3 to 4 times a week, and you may be using those special occasions as an excuse to really go crazy with your diet, okay? I get it. I love special occasions too. I want to eat with everybody else. But you can't continue to do that if you want to have the best health and the best life going forward, right? So you got to make a choice. You have to do one of 2 things. One of 3 things, but I prefer you do one of 2. The first is that you change your definition of special occasions, okay? You go back to Group 1. You can binge with a special occasion, okay? But special occasions are only to come once every month or once every couple months, okay? That's option 1. Option 2 is you continue to define special occasions like this multiple times a week, but you're much more careful on those special occasion days, okay? When you get to that potluck lunch, you don't binge, but you have just a little bit of the foods that people bring in, okay? If you're much more careful, then you can define your special occasions as coming multiple times a week. Let's talk now about Group 3, because Group 3 is also very important. And these are the people that have to be really, really careful about their diet because of really specific and severe health issues, okay? So those of you with advanced heart failure or liver disease or advanced kidney disease and on dialysis, for those of you that are in that specific category, even the smallest misstep in your diet can have drastic consequences, okay? So for those of you who are in those categories, even on special occasions, you have to be very, very careful. For those of you who are in a final category that we don't even want to talk about, that eat whatever you want all the time, special occasion or not special occasion, we have to work on changing your buds from the beginning. And you and me have a lot of work to do. Thank you for watching our special 4th of July edition for the Cooking Doc, what to eat on the holidays, can you binge? I hope you enjoyed the answer, and I hope you find something helpful in those suggestions. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time.